Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to change which hand your Apple Watch sits on. First, make sure your iPhone is paired, unlocked, and next to the watch. Once done, open the Watch app. This is the only official place to switch orientation. Make sure your watch is awake and connected via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi so settings apply instantly. Do not try to change orientation on the watch face. Apple requires the iPhone Watch app. Now tap into the app and follow the visible options to proceed. In the Watch app, go to General, then scroll to Watch Orientation. This is where the only option lies. Choose left or right wrist based on where you'll wear the watch. Then select the digital crown position, left or right, which flips controls and screen rotation. Once you make both selections, the iPhone sends the change to your watch and the display rotates. Make sure to review how the crown and side button feel after the switch, because that determines comfortable use and accurate gesture controls. After switching, wear the watch and test swipes, the digital crown, and wrist detection to confirm orientation changed correctly. If the watch didn't update, toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on your iPhone, then restart both devices and check again. If problems persist, make sure Watch OS is current. Software bugs sometimes block settings. As a last resort, unpair and repair via the Watch app to force a clean configuration. That typically resolves stubborn orientation or detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.